how to transfer Pi from Binance to Phantom Wallet on PC. Now officially the Pi token is not listed yet on Binance, but in the future it will be listed. Now I will show you how to transfer it if it's listed on Binance to your Phantom Wallet. So I will use the example of ZT. Now all tokens have the same method to transfer it from your platform to another platform. So let's get started. To get to the video, just head over to your wallet and click on split. And after that, as you can see, click on withdraw. And now in the search bar, just type I will show you the example of Solana. Now click on your token. Now here in the network, you need to select this Sol because you want to transfer it to Phantom. The Phantom, it's only accepted one network. In this case, it will be Solana. Now to get the address, you need to open your Phantom wallet. Make sure to install it before and log into your account on it. Now to get the address or withdrawal address of your token, just click on your token here, the Solana. And now to get the withdrawal address, click on receive. And as you can see, click on copy to copy your address and go back to your account on Binance and paste it here. And as you can see, here you can type how much you want to transfer of your token. And here you can click on withdraw. In a few minutes to a few hours, you will be able to receive your token on your Phantom wallet. So this is how to transfer Pi from Binance to Phantom wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.